Babe, it's spring. This is where we have been holding up. This is where we've been quarantining. Quarantine has been really rough for a lot of people, but I think because we live where we live, which is pretty nice on the Swan River, I work from home, and our girls, because we travel a lot, we already homeschool them. It's not been bad. We're really lucky. I hate these workout videos, but 35 now, and every time Meg asks me to do one, I have to say yes. I think because it's mid-April, it's time to go swimming. Right, babe?
No.
Come on.
I'll go out and watch.
I don't want to do this.
Yeah, you do.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That was the coldest it's ever been. Oh, that was the worst. No hot tub to get back into. That was amazing. That made me feel super alive. You would think that having all those advantages that I would have been very productive. And I have been working out. I've just mostly been slacking off. Splitting next year's firewood and kayaking on the river. I actually downloaded a copy of Age of Empires 3 from 2006 onto my laptop, and I've been playing it, and I don't really recommend it. It's really stupid. It's wasted a lot of my time. And did a print sale. You all pitched in, bought my prints, and got me enough money to buy this camera, which is the Canon EOS R. So thank you. Thanks very much. That feels awesome. I normally make adventure films, and I had one planned with this, my new split board. My sponsors, Weston Snowboards and Union Binding, sent this to me, and I had a film planned where I was gonna skin to the top of a mountain in Glacier Park, and then, camp up there, rip back down, maybe build a jump, do a bunch of really cool, fun stuff, but, all of that's been put on hold for a good reason. It's been hard to come up with a non-adventure video. I've kind of been waffling, but I think I've figured it out. This is my current office, and it's actually, if we look over this way, connected to my bedroom, which isn't a bad thing because I don't sleep and work at the same time, and my wife doesn't generally sleep when I'm working. But you see that, right? Well, let me just show you. This right here is the stairway to my attic. And what I keep up there is just a bunch of my outdoor gear that, well, it's kind of just a mess up here. I think it could make a really sweet office. It's huge. I think I can paint the walls and the floor just the way they are. And then over here, maybe build some gear shelves along this wall and that wall for all of this junk. Then I think it can be functional. Now, I don't have any money for paint, and I don't have any money for wood, but my mom gave me paint and my father-in-law gave me wood. So hopefully that'll do most of it, and we'll have a studio. Let's get started. First step, get all of this junk out of here. I got this paint from my mom, and I'm not sure that it's good because that one sounds like water. Oh no. That's not paint. It's not gonna be as cheap as I thought. We'll figure it out. My hands are already a mess because I spilled it filling up. Already spilled a ton of shit. I haven't started yet because I need. My safety glasses, a used mask. I'm not gonna use non-used one, you know, pandemic going on. Ow! I have a second used mask, so let's see if this will not snap in my face. Okay, second used mask is a go. Ooh, need a break. My ears are. Oh, been breathing in a little bit of paint.
Oh, jeez.
What's wrong with me?
You're away.
Här kommer nu en liten låt som i tillämpliga delar handlar om...
Actually, came over here because I flew my drone into the neighbor's tree earlier, so I'm sneaking over here to grab it. Ow, so pokey. There's a clue. Oh no. Hey, there it is. Woo! Propeller's broken, propeller's broken. Looks okay. Back from the break. Need a little breather because it was so foggy here that I couldn't breathe. And I had to get a bunch of paint out of my nose. I don't know how those masks stop, you know, coronavirus when can't even stop paint, but I'm pretty sure I'm wearing it wrong and it's very old. It's day number 5, maybe 6. And today we're gonna put shelving up there for all the gear. Look how white and cool it's looking in here. I think these bare wires are still hot, but I'm not gonna do anything with them. It's gonna look so good when we clean the windows and paint the floor. When I started this project to turn my attic into a gear cave / studio, I thought it would take like a weekend, but it almost took 2 weeks. And I'm so excited to show you that it's finally done. Look at this place.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking bitches. I pull it with a lemon. Nigga, she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you renting. Wave hello to the top.
I think it turned out really good. All of my gear is right there with an easy reach, and then I have all like the camp cooking stuff, and right here I have my desk where I'll work, couch for chilling, camera gear, more camera gear, and I'm sure I'll add more stuff as it goes along. But I think it's finally done, with the exception of 1 minute. Needed this guy right there. Yeah, the Weston snowboard. My goal with this project was to use the time in quarantine to make something out of almost nothing. So for this, I wanted to make a gear space in a studio that was functional in a way that I can just grab something off that wall, head down the stairs, out to an adventure, and do more adventures and less looking for my stuff. I know it's a little different than my normal mountain bike, motorcycle, but I feel like I've made something from nothing. And since we all kind of feel a little useless during quarantine, that's a really valuable feeling to me. I hope watching this made you want to go build something from nothing too, whether it's your own gear studio or something else. If you like this, I'm going to be making more videos, more adventure videos coming soon, more of my standard motorcycle mess around, probably wreck videos. So yeah, like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.